Walking video in the city of Sarajevo. This is the European country of Bosnia and Herzegovina. The capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Sarajevo, is a bustling, colorful, eastern and western city at the same time, often referred to as European Jerusalem. The history of three peoples is closely intertwined in the city: Orthodox Serbs, Catholic Croats and Bosnians who profess Islam. Despite cultural and religious differences, all of them live side by side for generations, bringing their unique heritage to the face of the city. Walking in Paris, what the Latin Quarter looks like in January. The Latin Quarter, an ancient district of Paris. Located in the city center on the left bank of the Seine around the famous Sorbonne University. The quarter got its name due to the fact that Latin was taught at the Sorbonne, and many students lived in the vicinity who could speak it. Today, the beautiful Latin Quarter has ceased to be a place where students settle, and has turned into a tourist corner of Paris. Prague can be described endlessly. It is one of the largest cities in Central Europe and the capital of the Czech Republic. Prague is the capital of the Czech Republic and the largest city in the country. Located in the heart of Europe, the historical center of the capital of the Czech Republic is included in the list of World Heritage Sites and has been preserved in amazing condition. The old town of Prague has a special atmosphere and includes dozens of exciting sites, representing an interweaving of pretty medieval streets and old buildings with red tiled roofs. Thank you very much for continuing to watch the Web TV channel. Subscribe and expect new videos. Funchal is the capital of Madeira, an autonomous region of Portugal. The excellent climate and natural beauty make the Madeira archipelago the best place to visit at any time of the year. Let's take a short tour of the city of Funchal. The urban landscape is dominated by white houses with red tiled roofs, beautifully blending into the green parks of the city. Bright islands of gardens and terraces, and the streets are lined with volcanic stone. Pune is a large city in the state of Maharashtra in the west of India. Many people say about Pune that it is the Oxford of the East. To put it simply, Pune is a 100% university city with an atmosphere to match, although it is too big. Pune is a city of liberal positions. The city was traditional and conservative, but times have changed. The city has almost got rid of the remnants of the past and is now much better developed. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the Web TV channel and expect new videos.